Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Razzle and Dazzle from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the shape of both of the heads. Let's start with a curve down, and then another curve next to it on the left side. Then close off the top with a curve down and back up. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw the other head in the same way. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the faces, starting with the left one. Let's draw two large ovals for the eyes. And then another oval inside each eye. And color both of these in black. Then hop underneath and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the left face. Now let's move over to the right side. For this one, let's start with two curves going down like this. And then a U-shaped curve underneath each one. Then inside the left eye, let's draw a curve down from the top. Then inside the other eye, let's draw a curve on the left side. And then color both of these in black. Now top underneath, and for the mouth, let's draw a wavy line across like this. And that's it for the heads. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And then another curve across the bottom. Now on top, let's draw two curves underneath each head going inwards for the neck. Now let's move back down underneath and let's finish drawing the scarf. Let's draw a curve down on both sides. And a curve at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw two curves down and out for the sides of the body. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now inside the body here, let's draw the ends of the scarf. Let's draw two angles down in the center. And then another set on the sides. And then close off each one at the bottom. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the arms. Let's start with an angle down and out on both sides. And then another one underneath. Now for the hands, we'll start by drawing a large curve out from the top. And then a smaller bump underneath. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and let's draw the legs. Underneath, we'll start with a curve across. Then let's draw two lines down in the center. And then two shorter ones next to it on the outside. Now to add the feet, let's curve it out and back in. And that's it for Razzle and Dazzle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!